Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I am going to show you how to make water in the nether. Yes, water in the nether. 2 ways to do that. Okay, so let me share my screen. Minecraft. I didn't know how this opened in the first place. Okay. So, don't worry, it's coming, it is coming. Won't be that long. Won't be that long. Single player, science builds. And since I'm here, in my site of my other video, you should go check out my llama, how to build a llama ride tutorial. But anyway. Oh yeah, you should also watch my zoo tutorial thingy. Okay. So first we will need obsidian to go to the nether, of course. Obsidian. And flint. Glow lichen. Glow lichen. I'm pretty sure the glow lichen thing will work, but I'm not so sure. And we will need a lava bucket. We will need a cauldron. And a water bucket. Okay, let's build this. My puppy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, let's get our flint and steel. Ah! Oof, I was lucky. Why I swore up there? That's a weird thing. Okay, let's go over here where it's more safe. So I will show you that. It's actual water. Actual water. But if you do that, it just doesn't work. But that's the trick with the glow lichen. If you place down a lava bucket, what? Okay, that didn't work. Wait. So, what I was, that should work. Well, anyway, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I guess. Now, let's go through that mystery portal. That weird portal next to my other one. Where does this take me? Because I don't remember. Will there another? Oh, I remember this. Yeah, I remember this. This is my other world. Oh, and by the way, if you check out my first video, you have seen my first video, it wasn't dripping like that. And now it is, so you should go watch that. There was some pretty strange builds back then. Well, anyway, guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so to never miss an upload. And don't forget to drop a like. Go watch all those other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.